channel. My name is Janice for those that are new here, and for this video I'm going to be doing a bronze makeup look. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to start off with keeping my lips moisturized. I'm going to go in with the Simple Hydrating Gel Cream Water Boost, and I'm just going to moisturize my face with that. And then going in with Simple's Replenishing Rich Moisturiser. I'm just going to give it that extra hydration. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using Innisfree. My shade is 3.3, and I'm just going to apply that with a flat brush. And for concealer, I'm going to use BareMinerals Bareskin Concealer, and then I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, around my nose, chin, and just a bit on the forehead. And I'm just using Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that all in. And then after you've done that, I'm going to go in with Innisfree's No-Sebum Mineral Powder, and I'm just going to set everything in. And then I'm taking Rimmel's Sun Bronze. I'm just going to contour my face. Make sure you get that all up in your hairline as well, because you don't want to look like you've got a white forehead. And then taking an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to contour my nose with that. So using the same bronzer, I'm just going to run that along my nose. Now I'm going to apply some along the centre of my nose just to give it that cut so my nose doesn't look so long. And it just kind of lifts up the bottom bit or point of your nose, so gives it a nice pointy look. So now onto the brows, and I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and then I'm just gonna shape my brows with that. Now I'm going to go in with this colour here, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids. And along the bottom lash line as well, just to even out the look. Now going in with a more lighter brown, this one here. And I'm just going to go over that colour, but focus more at the front of the lids, like the inner lid. Now going in with a liquid liner, I'm using L'Oreal Superstar Superliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes with that. So using the same black eyeshadow I used for my brows, I'm just going to line my bottom lash line with that. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. So going in with Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin, and I'm just gonna highlight my nose, my higher cheekbones, my brow bone, and just a bit on your cupid's bow. Now for the blusher, I'm just gonna take this colour here, and I'm just gonna apply it in between your highlighter and your bronzer, and just a bit on your nose. So I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply mascara. I don't think I'm going to apply falsies today because I want to give them a break once in a while, you know? For mascara, I'm going to use Great Lash by Maybelline. And I'm just going to apply 2 to 3 coats because I love that full and voluminous look. So that was my bronze makeup look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of me or more of these types of videos. Comment down below what you guys would want me to do next and just give me suggestions. It would mean a lot to me and encourage me to do more videos for you guys. So yes, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.